Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 4 to 10, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Taurus. What's the weekly energy, weekly message for you? Spider, creativity. Ayan. So, maaaring meron kayong passion project or mas magiging creative ang inyong isip. Marami kayong mga bagong gustong subukan. This can be related to your business or to your career or anything na you want na ma-showcase yung talents and skills mo. Ayan, you are building something creative. Okay, also have elephant, which is about gratitude. So some of you are going to be blessed, and yung blessings na yun, you will feel so grateful and thankful for those blessings. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, may mga celebration, no, that you're going to do, celebration with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones, because of that blessing na natanggap ninyo, or yung accomplishments or mga na-achieve nyo ng mga goals. You also have the fox. So this is shape shifting. So some of you, maaring you are in a situation wherein meron kang mga nakakasalamuha na iba yung pagpapakita nila sa'yo ng totoong sila, or parang hindi sila nagpapakatotoo sa inyo. So maaring ayan yung kailangan mong pag-ingatan, no? Kung merong tao na masyadong mabait or masyadong merong mga parang dati hindi naman siya gano'n sa'yo, tas nagbabago yung kanyang pakikitungo. So be careful doon sa mga intentions ng tao sa paligid ninyo, kung talaga bang sila ay katiwa-tiwala. Okay, let's see what's the overall energy for this week para sa inyo. Okay, uy, the star. Kaya lang takpan natin yan dahil baka tayo ay maano ni YouTube. So the star is about healing. So maaring you are in a healing process. Maaring yung iba sa inyo meron kayong mga pangarap na talagang gusto nyo nang tuparin ngayon, or yung iba, you are really working towards your goals and dreams, especially if this is related sa inyong creative talents, creative skills. Iba rin sa inyo, mas nagiging hopeful. This is, kasi ang the stars about hopes and dreams. So, mas nagkakaroon kayo ng confidence sa inyong mga pangarap. Mas inspired kayo ngayon to make things happen for your goals and for your dreams. And then your challenge is the Ace of Swords. So, maaring merong challenging na idea para sa'yo. Iniisip mo kung paano mo to sisimulan, paano mo gagawin. Sabi nga nila, idea will always be an idea until you put action or you take action. So, maari ring may mga kailangan kang pag-ingatan pagdating sa pagpaplano mo, no? Ano man tong gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, kailangan yung kumbaga meron kang method or proseso na sinusunod para matupad mo yung iyong mga plano. This is also about communication, no? So Mercury is still in retrograde right now. Maaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding, miscommunication with someone. Kaya mas maganda na i-clear ninyo ang mga bagay-bagay. Lalo na kung meron kayong hindi naiintindihan, iwasan nyo muna mag-assume. Kailangan i-clear nyo muna yung isang information or sitwasyon. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. The opportunity is the King of Wands. So this is finally being in control of your goals, your dreams. This is someone who is very passionate, no? Marami siyang kakayanan, and hindi lang siya basta-basta nagte-take action. Siyempre, nag-iisip rin siya. And marami siyang plano kasi this is an energy of expansion. So, maaring may opportunity ka na mag-expand yung or umunlad pa yung mga bagay, sitwasyon na nasimulan mo. Can be sa relationship or can be sa business or career. And then the blessing is, the devil. Okay, so as a blessing, ang nakikita ko rito, meron kang mga unhealthy habits na ili-let go na. So, kung ano man tong unhealthy habits na to, pwedeng bisyo or alam mo ng mga gawain na hindi na nakakabuti para sa'yo. You are letting that go. Some of you, aalis kayo sa isang toxic situation, toxic environment. And that is a blessing kasi ibig sabihin nun, mawawala ka na sa limitation, mawawala ka na dun sa sitwasyon na parang it's like you are in a prison, di ba? Na may pumipigil sa'yo na magawa yung gusto mo. Or parang, I see you na makakawala ka sa isang sitwasyon na akala mo wala kang magagawa na umalis. Okay? Let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Taurus. Ace of Pentacles. This is a new beginning. Bagong career, opportunities, bagong business. Or this is also a start of saving money. No? Maaring makakapag-save ka na or meron kang pwedeng down payment to. Meron kang maibibigay na down payment or tatanggapin na down payment from someone. Let's see what else. The Seven of Pentacles. Ang nakikita ko rito, parating na yung hinihintay mo. Kasi maaaring may hinihintay ka na isang coin, isang bagay na lang para makumpleto mo na. No? Para siyang pwedeng requirements to, documentations na hinihintay mo para makumpleto mo na yung kailangan mong ayusin, asikasuhin related sa trabaho mo, sa career, or sa business mo. Let's see sa love life naman. Love life ng mga Taurus. Walking away from a relationship. So, I think ang blessing sa inyo, kaya lumabas yung the devil, is about leaving a toxic situation. Oo. Ikaw ay aalis sa isang sitwasyon na sa tingin mo talaga hindi na nakakatulong para sa'yo, and finally, may lakas ng loob ka na umalis sa sitwasyon na yan. Oh my God. I can't make this up. So, this is the death card, which is ending. Diba? You are ending a situation, a relationship that is very toxic. Hindi na to beneficial sa buhay mo. This can be a relationship with a romantic relationship, pwede itong sa family, sa friends. But I think itong pag-alis mo sa sitwasyon na to, ito yung makakapagpagaan sa kalooban mo. May transformation, may change, may endings. Let's see ano pa for Taurus. Excitement. Something exciting is coming sa inyong life. Maaring exciting new beginnings to, exciting career, exciting business, exciting idea. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. Ito na, maging maingat, no? Doon sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, yung pagkakatiwalaan mo ng iyong mga sikreto. Kasi nga, meron ditong shapeshifter, no? Merong person sa buhay mo na ang pakita sa'yo ay mabuti, pero yung pala, hidden enemy. Okay, happiness. Wow, ang ganda. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayo marireceive na bulaklak or ma-appreciate niyo yung flowers. Some of you, you will experience happiness because of the new things that are coming sa inyong way. Pwedeng, yun nga, bagong simula for your career, for your business, and of course, itong sitwasyon na finally, iiwanan mo na, lalo na kung ito ay isang toxic environment, toxic relationship, hard work ahead, ayan. And also, excited ka rin sa mga bago mong tatrabahuhin, mga bagong responsibilities for you. And I think alam mo naman, no, yung iyong mga kailangang gawin or paghandaan para ma-accomplish mo or ma-fulfill mo tong mga responsibilities mo. And for the final message, let's see. Yung iyong self-care message for Taurus. What's the self-care message? Feelings. Sabi dito, healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Mm. So you're healing from your past, healing from the experiences, disappointments. So I think whatever this is na you are letting go or you are ending na relationship, mas mabilis kang makakapag-heal from that. Okay? And you will finally move on. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.